one of my big things is whenever you want to know if you're right with somebody, and I always said this, if you can be on a desert island with them and not wish you were somewhere else, that's the right person.
Good morning. So I was able to get her running. Hey honey, look at this.
How he's done this.
And this is the funny part. She's gonna try to jump from there. Can you jump, honey, or no?
Asshole.
There's a party in your head, I can see it. Your eyes, they tell me everything. And even if you don't wanna believe me, the truth is just too clear to see. You're fighting with the devil.
We did an amazing workout.
Just a quick one.
Yeah, we just go back to the boat now.
Have breakfast. It's nice to get off and have a walk.
So nice. Ciao. Doing some shopping around the island. We got some stuff. We got okay. We got some cream. What else?
Like 50 plus, so that we don't get burnt again.
Yeah.
Your enemy, I just wanna get to know you, know you, know you, know you.
So we just woke up. We are trying to get some coffee. Honey. Morning. How are you?
Hi.
Everything good?
We're next to coffee shops. Coffee shops. We're gonna get coffee, and I want to go and unpack our bedroom.
We're gonna go unpack because we have clearly everything is just like a mess, you know, like pretty bad. How was the first day experience?
Really, really nice.
It was amazing. We had the best
The
time.
Spanish boy got sunburned. The English girl didn't. I
I-
don't know how that's possible.
I don't understand, to be honest.
We went to the beach
What
for like
happened?
7 hours with no
Nothing.
shade, which I should be raw, and he should be icing me.
Yeah.
He's
It's crazy.
the one that's burned.
Actually crazy.
I know.
Let's go down, honey. We put a t-shirt on with the coffee and then we unpack. We don't have any rest.
I don't need pants.
You need pants when you're gonna go out like this. Okay, come on, let's go. I follow you.
You want me, but there's too much danger.
So this is our room. It's like a mess, basically. Yeah, one suitcase there, another one here. This is us. And this is the bathroom, which is amazing actually. There's like a beautiful shower here, looking at the water. And then I'm gonna show you guys here. Look how nice is this. Really, we are really outside. It's so nice. Honey, what you doing?
Cream on my face.
Okay. So cute.
We're gonna go and see the amazing shipwreck today. So excited. Sergio and I are gonna go and get a morning coffee.
Hostia. Okay, just hit that with my feet. Oh my god. Oh, honey.
You know, this is the kind of holiday I can't tell. I can't go on. This is the kind of holiday I can't tell you. Like everybody needs. It's good for the soul. I know not everyone can get on a super yacht like this. I understand that. But you can get away from life. We are on an island that has no nightlife.
There is nothing really going on.
It's just, oh my god, I just can't tell you. There's nothing to get. We bought a ridiculous amount of clothes. I feel embarrassed because we will wear probably one piece of it, and I am so happy. No makeup, you know, my hair's natural, and I could not be happier right now. I really could not be happier. There's nowhere else in the world I want to be.
How are you?
So happy.
Yeah? A little bit, but
Very rough. Loads of sun protection.
a lot.
Mother and me coming out.
Yeah, we got really tan yesterday, so...
No, someone got sunburned. I'm the blonde one, and he's the one who got sunburned.
But look at this place, guys. Just look at this. Amazing. We swim all the way to the end, you know, and this is absolutely beautiful. How was it? Amazing.
Love you for bringing everything back.
It's a little windy, but it's like a little cave here, and you really come out on the side. How was it, honey?
It was really amazing. We swam for over 2 hours. I'm really shattered.
Like, look at her eyes. Her eyes are like black. And look at this place. This place is amazing. It's so beautiful here. Going back to the boat, we're gonna come now. And we're back. See a little bit more. Exactly. Yeah. Looks really good. Alright, so we just had a lovely lunch dinner because it's late.
We've had tequila, and he's had his first mezcal.
Mezcal? Oh yeah, mezcal is a big drink from here.
I'm getting used to wearing no makeup. I'm going native, although I put mascara
Really?
on, and he doesn't like it.
Nothing. And look at this place, it's so beautiful. We're going now back to the boat. Hey! Come.
Had the longest day ever. We've done 2 hours of swimming at least, no 4 maybe. Sorry, we left at 12. It's now, I can't think, I'm so tired.
It was amazing, beautiful, but we're so hungry.
So hungry.
We're gonna go in now.
We've gone for 5 hours. We've swum probably 2 to 3 with no stop. Haven't eaten anything. I'm about to eat sahir.
Oh, that's good. I get that one. And look how beautiful is this place. We're gonna eat here. And let's see.